Hello tubers, Mezcal here. This dunny really stinks. We've moved into this place and that heavy set concretey looking material at the bottom of the bowl was there when we moved in, and all attempts to clean it have failed. And this is about my fourth kettle of boiled water. And that little brush there isn't cutting the mustard either, so it's coming out. And I tell you what, it really stinks. Now that I've put hot water in there, and I could smell this smell when we moved in, but it wasn't as strong as it is now that there's boiling water on it. It smells like boy bacon, if you know the difference between boy bacon and girl bacon. Boy bacon's got a real sort of pissy smell about it. Some people can't even smell it. I'm just filling that up with oxalic acid. This isn't the first time I've put some oxalic acid in there. I'll probably put about 1 kilo of oxalic acid down there now. But yeah, coming in with this thing I've cobbled up. That's some really stiff scouring pad, so hopefully I can make an effect here, because I'm totally overlooking at that. Get all that oxalic down there. And the bowl's warm enough to actually feel it on the outside if you put your hand on it from the hot water I've been shoving in there. And oh man, makes me want to dry a reach. Stinks. I can get 2 hands into this and a blocked nose, and hopefully I can show you a white bowl when I'm done. I look at shit like this and I really start to wonder about body chemistry and what on earth forms that sort of thing. I mean, we all know that kidney stones come from acids in your bodies building up and getting neutralised by the calcium in your body. Well, you probably don't all know that, but it's a process by which the body seeks to neutralise acids by taking some calcium from your skeleton and delivers it to the body where it can neutralise it and make in the case of oxalic acid, you'd make an oxalate crystal. In the case of citric acid, you'd make a citric acid crystal. A citrate, sorry. It depends on what the form of acid the body's trying to neutralise. I'm starting to wonder if this is a case of too much bacon and coffee. Oxalic acid's very high in coffee, and the stink of bacon is just fucking horrendous. I can't even eat, well, I'm mostly vegetarian now, but if I ever go for bacon, it's got to be girl bacon. I can really smell it, you know. If your bacon smells like piss, it's boy bacon. If you've got a really good butcher, he'll know the difference, and he'll say, yep, that one's girl. Oh, it's getting thick and colourful down there, look at that. So thick you can't see the... Man. Okay, the water's turned grey down there. I've been scrubbing for a while. I can't stand it. I've got to flush it and see what's down there. There we go. Now if I've made no effect on that, I'll be pretty annoyed. What the hell? barely touched it. What would you do? To get serious. Those products you think you'll need but never know what for. Aldi purchase. Something to drive it. And I was watching some other guys on the YouTube having trouble cleaning some really heavy scale, lime scale, and they used a product containing hydrochloric acid, so let's just go with hydrochloric acid. So what I saw yesterday on the YouTube was the guy emptied the toilet bowl so that the product he put in was undiluted and neat when it did its job. So let's try and empty the water. Well, that's pretty dry. And it also recommended that drying that out with a towel. Well, I don't really want to mess up a towel. Look at that stuff. Let's just put some hydrochloric on that and see what happens. I should probably have gloves and breathing apparatus and crap on, but I'm right here at tap. Careful about eyes. Okay. Yeah, fuming muriatic acid. Not for breathing. Not breathing right now. Gotta evacuate and come back. Still seeing fumes come out. Not breathing still. That's really doing something. Okay, I don't see any fuming anymore. I've given it a good scrubbing. I've seen a bit of movement. I'm going to flush it down and slowly add the water. Doing the old half press. Oh, yes! I can see the bottom. Alright, I'm going to clean that out and do the last half a bottle there and get the rest of that crap out. Wicked. The missus will be pleased. Out of reach of 1.5-year-old who will pick that bottle up. Thankfully he's sleeping right now. Just going to brush that up onto there gently because it seems the acid's doing the work and I don't need much abrasion. You know what? It's taken that pissy smell with it too. Oh man, that's great. Okay, that's take two. So there's still a bit up the back corner, both sides of the back corners there, but now I know what to do. I'll get myself more of this. I need it for the pickling of the jewellery anyway. And one more crack at that and we should have that done. Thanks for watching, and if you've got lots of lime scale in your toilet, you know what to do. Hydrochloric acid, obviously use your safety precautions, gloves, goggles, not like me. Breathing apparatus, be cautious of the vapours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment and subscribe if you haven't already.